The average cost of wedding flowers in 2022 was $2,300. Yes, you heard me right, $2,300. And guess how much it was on average for a centerpiece for your table? $120 up to $600 per table. I'm always looking for alternatives that are more budget friendly for you. So when Sola Wood Flowers reached out to me and wanted to send me some of their wedding DIY kits, probably because of my old tie-dyeing days, the OGs know. I was so excited to be able to see if these were actually doable and really share the level of difficulty for you as a DIY bride. They have the best sales. One today, 70% off. So instead of spending $600 for a centerpiece, you could easily get a good size centerpiece for $40. $40. They send you all the supplies. You basically, the only thing you need is your glue gun. They even send you glue sticks. Let's see if this is as easy as it looks. Here's some of the stuff they sent me. These are the dyes I'm going to be using, and this is their Sola softener, which makes the wooden flowers soft and able to stay longer. Here I'm mixing the dyes, cranberry, merlot, and powder pink, with a little bit of the Sola wood softener and 1 part of the dye, 2 parts water. Mix it up really, really, really good. The dye tends to stick on the bottom of the cup. That's why I pour it into this cup so I can show you. The leftover dye can affect how your flowers dye when you're doing this dip dye technique. So be careful and make sure you stir. Since I added the softener, the flowers are so easy to open, as you can see. Once you're done dyeing all your florals, you let them dry for 24 hours. Up next is attaching the sticks into the florals. You just grab your glue gun, put a little glue, and make sure it's nice and sturdy. Get your flower box ready. Then you push the flower into the green foam and arrange accordingly. So pretty, and you almost don't need the green, but let's do it. Here's the green pieces. I just added a few here and there. And here's the final product. The centerpiece turned out beautiful, and the level of ease was very impressive. Save money on your wedding by using Sola Wood Flowers and spend it on your honeymoon instead.